Good morning everyone. Welcome back to Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. Before start our studies, let's take 1 minute relief. Now, take your both hand like this and close your eyes and follow my instructions. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now open your eyes, put down your hands and be relaxed. Students, this is your first period and this is your English period. So first of all we will do rhymes, that means English orals. Now do sing like me. Take out your both hands and hold it together like this. Now say after me. I am going to recite a poem, Humpty Dumpty. Now hands. Today we will recite the poem Humpty Dumpty. So do with me. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. The all king's horses, the all king's man could not put Humpty Dumpty together again. We will recite it again. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. The all king horses, the all king's man could not put Humpty Dumpty together again. Students, recite this poem and learn it with the help of your parents.
Students, this is your English written period. So take out your English notebook with the help of your parents and open the page where it is written formation of alphabet C. Okay, before this we have learned the formation of A and B. Yesterday we have learned the formation of B. Okay, today we are going to do formation of C. Okay, look at the blackboard all of you. This is capital C. Capital C means big C. Okay, Mama C. And this is small c. Small c means baby c. Okay, now we are going to learn capital C. How to write capital C. Okay, C for cat, C for cup, C for can, and C for cap also. Okay, now look at the blackboard and follow me. First of all, hold pencil in your hand like this and start from here. Under the first line, little under. Okay, C start curve, 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 and make a curve. Okay, this is capital C. Okay, again start with me. Start writing. Start and curve. This is capital C. Okay, again start and like this. This is capital C. This is left curve and capital C. Yeah, look at the blackboard. Okay, this is capital C. Okay, now you have to write it again. Start from here and curve, 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 curve and stop here. You have to write in first 3 lines. You have to write this in first 3 lines. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Again start from here. 1, 2 and 3. This is the left curve. Start from here and make a little turn and curve it and come down and curve it again. This is capital C. Go a little down from the line and turn and go up. This become capital C. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to write same as it is in the classwork and homework also. First read with me. C for cat, C for cat, C for car, C for can. Okay. Now student, you have to complete this in classwork. After completing your classwork, you have to do homework with the help of your parents. Good morning students, this is your written time. Okay, so take out your pattern writing notebook, okay, and open the page where practice tracing writing curves are mentioned. Okay, yesterday we have learned curves. Okay, so today we are going to learn left curve. Okay, so look at the blackboard and do with me. Okay, this is practice tracing curves. Okay, these curves first help us to draw C. Okay, so first of all, hold pencil in your hand like this and start tracing with me. Put your pencil here and start slowly go up and turn, make a curve, left curve, then finish it here. This is practice tracing left curve. Okay, this is left curve. Okay, now again start with me. Put your pencil here and start tracing with me. Slowly. Okay, draw with pencil. Join the dots with the pencil like this. This is left curve C. This helps us to draw C. This pattern helps us to draw C. Put pencil on the point top and start writing with me, making with me. Okay, slowly get down and now turn and make a curve. This is left curve C. Now start from here. Yeah, start. Come down. This is left curve. This helps us to draw C. Okay. Start from here and move on dots. Right on dots. Come down and make a curve. And this is become left curve C. This is left curve. Okay. This helps us to draw C. I hope you all understood this. So do practice of this at home with the help of your parents. First complete your classwork. After completing the classwork, you have to do same in the homework.
Students, this is your second period. That means this is your Hindi period. And first of all, we will do Hindi orals. So take out your both hand like this. Now hold it together like this and say after me. I am going to recite a Hindi poem
सीखेंगे? बड़े आ से आम लिखना सीखेंगे। हम लोग पहले छोटे आ से अनार लिखना सीख चुके हैं ना, उसी क्रम में आज हम लोग बड़े आ से आम लिखना सीखेंगे। ओके, लुक एट द ब्लैक बोर्ड एंड फॉलो मी। ओके, डू सेम एज आई एम डूइंग। ओके, सी सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे, छोटा सा कर्व बनाएंगे, स्मॉल सी कर्व, देन इसको टर्न करेंगे, फिर अगेन स्मॉल कर्व एंड go up like this, and one slipping line, then standing line। क्या बन गया? छोटे आ से अनार। अब इसमें अगर हम एक और स्टैंडिंग लाइन लगा देंगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? बड़े आ से आम। क्या बन जाएगा? बड़े आ से आम। स्टूडेंट्स, आपको इस लाइन के और इस लाइन के बीच में लिखना है। आपको दिस इज योर अपर लाइन एंड दिस इज मिड लाइन। ओके, आपको मिड लाइन से स्टार्ट करके सेकंड मिड लाइन से स्टार्ट करके थर्ड लाइन तक आना है। आपको इस लाइन से नीचे भी नहीं जाना है, ना ही आपको इस लाइन से ऊपर लिखना है। ओके, नाउ ड्रॉ इट अगेन। मेरे साथ देखिए, फिर से राइट इट अगेन। You make a small curve like this, again small curve like this, and go up little bit, and one sleeping line, then one standing line. Okay, and again one standing line. And okay, this is बड़े आ से आम। Okay, again make a small curve like this, again a small curve like this, and go up little bit, and one sleeping line, then one standing line, and again one standing line you have to make, and put line up also। Okay, this has become बड़े आ से आम। क्या बन गया? बड़े आ से आम। Again, write with me. Make a small curve like this. Again, small curve, and go a little bit up, and make a sleeping line. Then one standing line, and again one standing line. Okay, like this. Okay, this has become बड़े आ से आम। Okay. Now again write it here. Make a small curve, again small curve, and a little bit go up. Make a sleeping line in the middle, and one standing line, and one more standing line. It become बड़े आ से आम। Again make a small curve like this, and small curve again like this, and you have to make a sleeping line from the middle of these two curves, and make a one standing line and one more standing line। Okay, this is become बड़े आ से आम। Okay, make a small curve, a small curve, and again a small curve, little bit go up, and make a sleeping line from the middle of the curves, and make one standing line and one more standing line, and this has become बड़े आ से आम। बच्चों, आपको ना तो इस लाइन के ऊपर लिखना है, ना ही इस लाइन के नीचे लिखना है। आपको लाइन टच करके दोनों लिखना है, दोनों लाइंस को टच करना है लिखते समय। ओके, make a small curve like this, again small curve, and go a little bit up, and make a sleeping line from the middle of these curves, and make a one standing line and one more standing line। Now it's become बड़े आ से आम। I hope you all understood this, beta. Now read with me. बड़े आ से आम, बड़े आ से आम। आम फलों का राजा है, कितना मोटा ताजा है। आप सबको आम पसंद है ना? बड़े आ से आम। अच्छा बताओ, बड़े आ से और क्या होता है? बड़े आ से 8 भी लिखते हैं। बड़े आ से 8 8 मीन्स बड़े आ से और क्या होता है? आ, बड़ा आ और दा, आ। बड़े आ से क्या होता है? आग भी होता है। और ये क्या है? ओ, ये सब खाते हैं ना। दिस इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ वेज ना, वेजिटेबल। क्या है? दिस इज आलू, पोटैटो। ओके, बड़े आ से आलू भी होता है। बड़े आ से आलू, बड़े आ से आम, बड़े आ से आठ, बड़े आ से आम, बड़े आ से आलू। Okay, I hope you have understood this. Now what you have to do? You have to complete your classwork first. After completing your classwork, you have to do your homework same as it is. आपको लाइन टच करके लिखना है, लाइन के ऊपर नहीं लिखना, लाइन के नीचे नहीं लिखना। ओके? This is a maths period. So take out your maths notebook and look at the blackboard. Today's topic is Ducky Wucky 2. Today we are going to learn how to write 2. Ducky Wucky 2. Okay, look at the blackboard and write with me. First of all, we will start from here. Make a half circle, curve, 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 curve like this. Now make a half circle. Then one sleeping line. This is become Ducky Wucky 2. Again, start from here and make a half circle like this. Come down, down, down and make a sleeping line. Ducky Wucky 2. This is become Ducky Wucky 2. Again, write with me. Okay. Start from here and make a half circle. Come down and make a sleeping line like this. This is become Ducky Wucky 2. Start from here and make a half circle and sleeping line like this. This is become Ducky Wucky 2. Start from here and make a half circle like this. Come down and make a sleeping line. This is become Ducky Wucky 2. Okay? You all have to write on line. सबको लाइन के ऊपर ही लिखना है. Nobody will write on air. Okay? After this, we will do orals. Say with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. 2, 0, 20. Okay? You have to learn this at home with the help of your parents. First of all, you have to complete your classwork. You have to do classwork same as it is. जैसे हमने आपको बताया सेम आपको ऐसा होमवर्क में करना है और क्लासवर्क में भी करना है. पहले आप क्लासवर्क कंप्लीट करोगे, उसके बाद you have to complete your homework with the help of your parents. After that, you have to learn counting 1 to 20.
Hello kids, welcome to your conversation class. So, in our today's class, we learn about some good manners. So, let's start our today's studies. Good manners is our topic. So, first is I have finished my work. When you finish your work, then in what way you will reply if somebody asks you have your work is completed or not? Then you reply, I have finished my work. I have finished my work. Okay? Now come to the second point. Please, sorry, thank you, excuse me. These words are golden words. These words are golden words. When you want to something from other, then in what manner we will ask for them? Please give me a book. Please give me a pencil. Please give me a favor. When you want to help or favor or anything from other people, then you have to speak like this. Please give me a pencil. If you want anything like pencil, color, toys, then you have to speak like this. Please give me toys or please give me pencil. Okay. Now second, sorry. When we will do any mistake, then we should say sorry. If you have done any mistake, then you have to say sorry. Thank you. If somebody help you, then you have to reply them thank you. If you want to talk with any people who are busy, that time in what way you will call them? You will say excuse me. Firstly you will say excuse me. Now come to the third point. May I go to drink water? May I go to drink water? When you are thirsty, then in your classroom you have to ask to your teacher like this, ma'am, may I go to drink water? Now come to the next point. May I go to toilet? May I go to toilet? When you want to go for natural call or toilet or washroom, then you have to take permission from your teacher like this, ma'am, may I go to toilet? Okay. So these 4 points are our good manners that here again I am repeating. First is I have finished my work. Second, please, sorry, thank you, excuse me. Third point is may I go to drink water? And the fourth is may I go to toilet? Now students, in your homework you all have to learn our today's topic, that is good manners, with the help of your parents. Now thank you for attending this class.